If you could travel with only one small bag and still feel rich in moments, would you try it? Today I'm giving you a carry-on blueprint that turns any city into a highlight reel without rushing, overspending, or standing in endless lines. Here's the plan. We design your trip in 3 layers: anchors, floaters, and serendipity. Anchors are 1 or 2 must-do experiences that define the trip. Floaters are flexible picks that can move with weather or mood. Serendipity is the space you protect for the city to surprise you. Most travelers cram, pros curate. Start before you book. Search price first, not place first. Pick the cheapest hub that fits your vibe, then build a circle trip with trains or short hops. Travel in the shoulder between peak and quiet. You'll trade queues for conversation and heat for soft light. Book stays near a transit spine and a grocery. Those 2 decisions erase hours of friction later. Now pack like a local, not a tourist. Choose 1 neutral palette so every piece mixes. Wear your bulkiest layers on the plane. Roll, don't fold. Bring a compact laundry sheet and wash once at night while you sleep. Shoes, 2 pairs max. Walkers, and 1 upgrade. Toiletries decant into tiny bottles. Your reward is freedom. No checked bags, no baggage claim, no misconnections while you chase a suitcase with a broken wheel.
Ow.
Let's build your first 48 hours. Morning 1. A slow perimeter walk. Start at your stay. Loop a park, a market, and a viewpoint, and return by a different street. You're mapping the neighborhood with your feet. Stop for a single small treat, something local and simple. At first loop calibrates prices, portions, and pace. Afternoon. 1 anchor experience you booked in advance. Evening. A short riverfront or old town stroll, then an early night. Day 2. Floaters. Pick 2 from your list, then leave 1 empty block on purpose. Great trips breathe. Pattern interrupt. The 3-photo rule. Limit yourself to 3 photos per location wide. Detail, human moment. It forces you to notice more, interact more, and live more than you scroll. If you want more, take video once, then pocket the phone. The best memory isn't stored. It's rehearsed in conversation that night. Eat like a neighbor. Scan where office workers line up at lunch or where families gather after sunset. Order what you see most on tables. Try the 2-stop dinner. A starter in a bustling spot, a main in a quieter one, dessert as a walk. You meet more people and spend less. Finally, protect your energy with 2 micro-rituals. Morning light and water before screens. Nightly 5-minute journal. 3 lines, 1 moment, 1 taste, 1 map note you'd share with a friend. That notebook becomes a compass for the next trip. Carry-on isn't about suffering. It's about trading stuff for serendipity, lines for lanes, and heavy bags for light days. Build with anchors, float with the weather, and leave room for the city to find you. Follow culture, connect for cinematic detours worth saving.